What's good, everybody? Welcome to the onboarding to futures video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up your charts, the correct chart settings, how to set up tools for your charts, how to link your accounts, how to get accounts, the whole thing. So if you're brand new to trading, watch this video all the way through. So at the end, your charts will be looking exactly how mine are looking right now. Okay, so let's get into it. And guys, the first thing you need to decide is whether you want to trade with a prop firm or whether you want to trade with a live account. Okay, so I do recommend you guys to do some research on this on your own. It's personal preference. Okay, prop firms over a live account, they weigh each other out. They have their different strong suits. They have their different downsides. But honestly, if you're a brand new beginner, I do recommend you to get on a live account. Now, don't get on a live account with your entire life savings at first, but hop onto a live account with at least $500, $1,000. Okay, I feel like that's reasonable starting place for beginners that want to get into futures trading. Okay, so trading on a live account is going to give you raw emotions that trading gives, and there's a lot of emotions in trading. I always say, look, trading is 20% technicals. It's 20% analysis of the actual charts. The other 80% is your psychology. How do you handle your mindset? How do you handle losses? How do you handle wins even? How do you handle a win streak? You know, how do you handle a losing streak? Mindset is a big player. So when you're trading a live account, you're going to get that full emotions, and that way you could actually work on your emotions rather than, you know, hopping onto a prop firm account, spending $80, and then, you know, you feel like, oh, I can lose this account and just buy another one, I'll be all right. And then you're going to go down a bad path of buying prop firm after prop firm after prop firm, and you keep failing them because you think they're cheap, but that small price is going to add up over time. Okay, and it's not going to be good. You're going to fuck up your psychology. You're seeing these big numbers like a 50K account or a 100K account, and you think you're actually trading with that size, but in reality, you're only trading with whatever the drawdown is, and in most cases, it's no more than, $6,000. You're usually trading 2K is the average with the prop firm here. So going with the prop firm or a live account is totally up to you. I don't know your situation. I don't know how experienced you are, so I can't really tell you. But of course, you're more than welcome to ask any questions you'd like in my Discord community. We have over 2,000 members in our community at the time of speaking right now, and we have a free chat for you. If you want to ask any questions, you're more than welcome. I know trading is there's a lot of information. It's information heavy, and you probably have a lot of questions if you're brand new. So feel free to ask in our group. And yeah, so if you do want to go with a prop firm, if you do want to go that route, and like I said, do your own research before you do this, but My Funded Futures is the website I'm on right now. This is my personal favorite prop firm to go with for futures trading. Not only, I think they have the best pricing, I think they have the best rules and everything. So I like to go with My Funded Futures. There's also a few different prop firms out there, depending on your style of trading, whatever your budget is, whatever you feel comfortable. Apex Trader Funding, this is another one. And if you guys are a little confused on what prop firm you do want to go with, if you go to my Discord channel and you go to the Get Funded channel in the Discord, I do have a list of my favorite prop firms in here. Okay, so if you're looking for a prop firm account, I have the top ones in the Discord already laid out for you guys, and I go over their strong suits and their weaknesses in here. So feel free to go in there, check out what discount codes I have, and what I think is personally the best, but My Funded Futures is the best. If you do want to go with a live account, I do recommend TradingView for US people. I think I'm not sure if you're outside of the US, you might have to check if there's any restrictions for that, but yeah, TradingView is super solid for having live accounts. I personally have my live account with TradingView, and I also have an account with MFF. I have multiple accounts with MFF, and my live account is on TradingView. Yeah, it's very good. You know, they have a bunch of different features here. Their commissions are they're kind of industry standard. It's not very competitive in the commission area for futures trading as a whole. You know, it's pretty much industry standard at whatever their commissions are here. And of course, you can upgrade to different plans to save a little bit of money on commissions. But yeah, once you get an account with either, you know, a live account with whatever brokerage you want, this is just my recommendation, but there's plenty out there. Do your own research on other brokerages if you don't want to go with TradingView. If you do, just click open account, top right up here, make an account, log in, do the application, fund your account. That might take another like 3 days, but application takes about 20 minutes and then you'll fund your account. And then, you know, whether you want to go with a funded account or a live account on whatever platform, so TradingView, Sierra Charts, Ninja Trader, whatever brokerage you want to go with, I recommend getting TradingView. TradingView, especially if you're trading with me, this is my main charting platform and software I like to use. TradingView is just super solid. They make it incredibly easy for people to enter into trades and manage their trades. And you know, they have a certain tool that I personally love, and it's the only reason I actually log on to TradingView. But go to tradingview.com, make sure you guys download this, go up to the top right where it says more, go down to downloads and download their desktop app. Okay, download their desktop app, and you know, they have it for Apple, they have it for Windows and all of that stuff. So once you have it downloaded, your chart will not look like this, but it will. But it will. At the end of this video, it should be looking like this. But your charts might look something like this. I know the colors will not be the same. You're going to have a little bit more lines on your chart, but that's why I'm here. I'm going to show you guys what you should do to clean up your charts, make it look a little bit sexier. Yeah. So first things first, you should have a chart pulled up like this. First thing you should do is right click with your mouse anywhere on screen, go to settings at the very bottom here, and you are going to want to go down to, canvas. Okay, go down to canvas, go to grid lines, copy my same exact settings on any of these. Okay, so grid lines, make sure you guys turn off grid lines. There's no need to have grid lines on. Turn off the watermark if it's not already. Just copy all my same settings here. Go to trading down right here. Copy all my same settings, profit and loss, change that to ticks, brackets, and you could customize this however you want. This is just how I have mine, and especially if you're trading with me live every single day, it's best that, you know, we are looking at the same thing, and you know, it's not a surprise. Whatever you're looking at, you're not confused, you know. Yeah, just copy all these same settings. I think this should be all default, I'm pretty sure. Status line, copy all this. And then also you can change the background of your chart. So right now I have like a cyberpunk theme, and maybe I'll drop another video on my colors soon, but on like how to do it and everything. But you can go ahead and get my colors right here if you wanted to. And I also have, you can also save different colors, which this is kind of cool. You can also save different colors. So, you know, you can easily switch whatever color scheme you want to go with. A little ICT vibe here. Switch trading colors. And yeah, you can quickly change everything however you want. This is my personal favorite. I love cyberpunk themed shit. So this is my main right here. Okay. And once you have all those same chart settings, your chart should be looking a little bit more cleaner, right? It should look a little bit cleaner. Make sure you full screen your application and whatnot. And next thing you're going to want to do is get some tools on your chart, right? So how do I mark out fair value gaps like this? How do I, you know, mark out, let's say, buy side liquidity right here? I'm going to double tap that. Boom, buy side liquidity. Boom. Easy, simple. And I'm going to teach you guys how to get all of this stuff. So first things first, you guys are going to see this little toolbox up here. This is my toolbox, right? I'm going to go up here if I ever want to bring out any tools for my chart. But to get this, you have to go to the left side of your chart over here. See this little column and widgets over here. You're going to go down and you're going to click the little star next to all of these that I have on here, or whatever you want to have. But trend line, make sure you favorite it. Go down to the next one. Fib retracement, favorite. Fib time zone, you can favorite. It's not a must. But go down. Long position, short position. Make sure you get this on your toolbox. Long position and short position. Whoa. Zoom out. Whoa. Okay, make sure you guys favorite long position and short position. This tool is literally the only reason, well, one of the only reasons that I trade on TradingView. This is how I get into my positions so quickly, and I get to change them so quickly. I get to change them on the fly very easily by dragging the red and by dragging the green like that, and then boom, my stop loss will be set wherever the red is, and then my take profit will be wherever the green ends, right? So I love this tool. This is one of the main reasons I trade with TradingView. It makes it so fucking easy to enter into positions. Let's keep going down the list. Make sure you guys favorite rectangle, and path is also good. It's not a must again. And text if you guys want to mark out text. And that's pretty much it. Your toolbox should be looking something like this. I like to just keep it right in the middle, or just right at the top of my screen so it's easily accessible. I can just, put stuff in and, easily access it. Next thing is going into your settings for the toolbox. So let's say, what should I do here? I'm going to get out the fib retracement tool. I'm just going to drag it out, and you guys will see, not this, but you guys will see something that looks like this, okay? Oh my gosh, it's so ugly. It's so ugly, right? This is fib retracement, and fib retracement is a very good tool. I love to use it. It's a big part of my strategy. So how should we clean this up, right? It's looking like a pride flag right now. So let's double click on it. Let's double click on our tool. And we are going to unclick everything besides the 0.618 and the 0.786 level. And it's going to look something like this, right? What I like to do, we call this the golden pocket in trading. Okay, we call this the golden pocket. 0.618 and the 0.786 is the golden pocket in the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, this is where price loves to retrace back down into. That's why we call it fib retracement. Price will more times than not come down into this little gold zone. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can customize your different tools. And that goes for everything too. You want to mark out fair value gaps and have the consequent encroachment, which is the midpoint of a fair value gap, automatically marked out like how I have right here. Again, double click on it, go down to style, click middle line, and make it whatever color you want. It's super fucking simple. Okay, so that's how we do that. I'm just gonna leave this marked out right here. Let's see, that's toolbox done. Next thing you should do is get your time frames figured out. Okay, my favorite time frames are right up here in the left corner, and I might need to move over a little bit. So to get the time frames, you should see a couple right here, but click on this little arrow right here. It's going to give you a drop down, and make sure you just favorite all the ones that I have, or whatever your preference is. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 45 minute, hourly, 4 hour, 1 day, and 1 week. Those are my main that I love to swap between, and that's how I get most of my technical analysis through, is those options up there. And then once you favorite it, boom, you can just easily swap between them and do your thing. Let's see, another very important thing is choosing your ticker, right? Choosing what are you trading, okay? So what are you trading? This is a very important one. You're gonna go to the top left up here. You should see something, I think TradingView might default to Apple or something, but whatever it is, just click on it up here. and then it's going to give you a symbol search, and just search in MNQ, right? If you're trading with me, all I trade is MNQ or NQ. And all you're going to do is click on MNQZ because that's our current contract right now, December 2024 contracts. And you can go ahead and put a little bookmark on the side next to the contract. And yeah, now you should have MNQ, and we'll click on it, MNQZ. And we can see we have it here on our chart. Okay, so next thing after this that we should do is we should go to the top right. Up here, you're going to see a little rectangle box up here. What I like to do is I like to go to where it says number 2 and pull out this little vertical line in the middle. I like to do this personally, where it gives me a view of NQ on my main chart right here on the left side. And then I like to keep a little bit of a smaller window and keep up ES, right? And to get ES, you do the same thing. Click the change symbol icon up here and just search in ES. And then ES is S&P futures contract, and NQ is NASDAQ futures contract. And I only execute trades currently on MNQ. It makes it very simple for me to scale in and out of positions and, you know, not over leverage. So most of you, if you're brand new, you should stick on MNQ and MES, okay, which stands for micro. So there's mini contracts in futures and micro contracts. Again, do your research on this. You should already know this information, and if not, just search it up. It's micro contracts are basically a 1/10 of the size of mini contracts, okay? And to get onto micros, you just do M right before the normal symbol, and then boom, we have MES right here. I like to keep ES though, because I don't execute on this chart. So I like to use ES as confluence with each other, and like currently we can see something like right now, and the markets are closed right now. It is Sunday, or Saturday, sorry. So the markets are closed. But yeah, we can see something right here, and it's an SMT, right? It's a smart money technique, and boom, can easily just mark it out as an SMT like that. So technically, this is a bearish SMT. Price should go down, and of course, you need to put a little bit more technical analysis into things. But yeah, ES is good to use as confluence and use to look for divergences between the two. And you know, we actually have a perfect example of one right now. So that's good. I think last thing maybe, or we're getting done almost, indicators at the top. So I don't use any indicators except for the EMA 50, 100, 200. That is what it's called here on TradingView. All you have to do is just search up EMA in the search bar. Click on this one, make sure you favorite it, add it to your chart, and it's gonna look something like that, right? I have 2 on my chart. Make sure you click it once. This is what it's gonna look like. To get it to look normal, just double click on it again. Unplot the 20, unplot the 50, unplot the 100, and boom, now you're only left with the 200 EMA. And of course, you can change the color. I like to leave the gray one on my chart. You know, you can play with whatever color you want, but that's how you do that. And boom, there's your indicator. You have your toolbox set up. You have your favorite time zone set up. You have your symbols set up. Everything's looking good. Your chart is looking all fresh and clean. Now, what you need to do is actually link your trading account to TradingView. How are you going to execute trades, right? How we're going to do that is we're going to go at the bottom. We're going to go to the bottom right here. We see this little gray line. We're just going to drag that up like so. And we're going to see all these different brokers that we have here, right? And depending on whatever broker you want to go with, AMP, Tradevate, TradeStation, whatever you guys want to do, whatever broker you have. Personally, I have Tradevate. So, and if you are on a prop firm account, you're just going to go with whatever broker you signed up for. In most cases, like I said, I recommend Tradevate. Just click on TradingView and you'll be asked to give your login credentials. And a special thing about TradingView that you should do, especially if you're a beginner and you want to get familiar with TradingView as a platform, just click this little pay-per-view or paper trading button right here. Click connect and boom. Now you're on a paper account. You can execute trades. You can see your account balance in the bottom right down here. And yeah, I usually just like to have a view of the account balance in the top right. And of course you can like bring it up like this and show your orders, show your account history, all that stuff. I like to just keep it like that so I can see my account balance and everything. And yeah, so TradingView should be all set up. You should have your trading account actually linked onto this. And like I said, you guys will see me if you're trading live with me every single morning. You guys will see me be using this tool a lot. And all you have to do to actually set trades on TradingView, this is the main reason you should be using TradingView. All you have to do is right click on whenever you have this tool out, right? So currently it's a long position. So all you have to do is right click on it, click create limit order, and then boom, all you have to do is click buy, and it tells you, you know, right here, you can see it tells you how much profit you'll make, what your stop loss, how much it is, how much money you'll actually lose. It tells you your risk to reward on this tool. And then all you do is click buy. It's as simple as that to entering a position. And I am a limit trader, meaning I set limits and I just let price come down to it or come up to it, and I let it play out however it does. So that's why I love this so much. I can see exactly how much money I'll make. I see exactly how much I'll lose, and it makes it just super, super fucking simple. And yeah, go onto your paper trading account down here and just play around. Get comfortable with opening positions, setting stop loss, and setting TP, again, with this tool, because you'll see me using this a lot when you join my group. So make sure you guys get comfortable with using these two. And make sure you do all testing on TradingView with a paper account, okay? Make sure you're not on a live account or anything, okay? So what else? I think that's about it, guys. And then last thing is logging on to your brokerage. So right here, I'm logged into my MFF account, my funded futures account here. This is your brokerage website, right? I actually don't even place any trades with my brokerage. I use TradingView to set all my trades, but it's always good to be logged into your broker in case TradingView ever goes down. You can go onto their site right here, and you can exit all your positions, or you can buy market or sell market if TradingView is ever down. I personally never really find a need. Sometimes I might need to come here and do an exit market, but that's very rare conditions. Also, other thing, especially if you go the prop firm route, you will need to do this. Go up to this top right, go to application settings, go over to add-ons over here. Make sure you guys activate TradingView. Okay, if you're on a live account or a funded account and you're specifically on TradingView, you'll have to go to add-ons and make sure you guys activate the TradingView add-on. If you're on a live account, I believe you have to pay $10 a month for this, but it's 100% worth it, okay? And make sure you guys get the TradingView add-on whatever free stuff you want too. It's totally fine. It's free. And yeah, you guys should be good after that. And your charts should be looking like this, guys. So that's how we do it. And you guys are all set up now. Hopefully you guys are in the Discord already. If you're not already in the Discord, I'll have a link in my bio to join the Discord. We have over 2,000 members in the Discord right now, and we are growing like crazy. So, if you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, follow my exact trades that I take, then join the Discord, sign up for premium. And if you're already a premium member, thank you. I love you guys, man. And if you guys have any questions, like I said, go over to the free chat in the Discord. Ask any questions that you want. There's thousands of people hundreds of people that are willing to help you. And, feel free to ask any questions. There's a lot of confusing things in the trading industry. Feel free to ask any questions in there, boys. And I'll see you guys there, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.